Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. Today, something completely different. If you love this watch, reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability concerning this pocket watch. That's right, this is the Panerai PAM 446. It's the Panerai Pocket Watch Tourbillon GMT Ceramica. Made in 2013 in a limited edition of 50 pieces, it incorporates the Tourbillon GMT 6-day manual wind caliber 2005/S, designed by Richemont movement engineer Eric Klein in the 2000s. This movement was intended for wristwatches, but being that it is 36.6 millimeters in diameter, it also nicely fills out the ceramic 59 millimeter pocket watch. So yes, black ceramic, 59 by 59, because it is a square cushion-shaped pocket watch. I measure it at 18.3 millimeters thick, but thickness in this context is less important. You may wonder, with a carabiner style buckle and a chain link to prevent its separation from your person, what does all of this weigh? And the mass is 206.67 grams. The nice thing here is that ceramic is a very scratch-resistant material, so is sapphire. So if you are going to put this in your pocket, sometimes articles and pockets share space with keys and change and things that would ordinarily savage a watch. So maybe even more than on a wristwatch, ceramic in this context makes a lot of sense. Also impressive, I'm not going to talk exact numbers, but this watch is going to be available for something like 1/3 of its original retail price. Let's do a quick lume shot. Doesn't make sense to do a wrist shot because the watch is never going to reside on your wrist. What's fascinating here is that you can see the power reserve indicator on the case back has its own little luminescent hand, and then on the dial you can see that we've got two separate hands, each one of which is luminescent because it is a GMT. You can also see that we have sub-register hands, including running seconds here and the AM/PM indicator, and both of those, we're going to go back to lume, both of those are luminescent. So we have 2 hours, 2 sub-dials, one of which is seconds, one of which is AM/PM, and then a minute hand. Lots and lots of lume, and oddly, we have photina here. So you've actually got photina as well. Because you have this AM/PM indicator, you've got this 12-hour secondary hand, so if you wish, you could superimpose these two hands when you don't need an extra hour and clean up the dial a little bit, because they're both in a 12-hour format. Of course, we've got the distinctive rotisserie chicken tourbillon, and what's fascinating here is that this is a genuinely relevant chronometric refinement. First, it's a double-speed tourbillon. It's also very loud. You can hear it in a quiet room, but it's a double-speed tourbillon. It makes a rotation in a direction perpendicular to the balance axis every 30 seconds, and it beats away at a fairly high for a tourbillon, 28,800 vibrations per hour, 4 hertz, 8 beats per second. The decoration on this tourbillon cage, by the way, is probably the highest level of decoration I've seen on a Panerai. Also impressive is the fact that when it is just sitting on your desk or your dresser at night, think about the orientation here. This is why I say it's a chronometrically relevant tourbillon, whether right side up or upside down, because the tourbillon is always moving the balance in a direction perpendicular to its axis. It's working a bit like a pocket watch, like a traditional pocket watch. And so it's evening out the effect of gravity on the oscillator, which is pretty cool. And because we know tourbillon regulators work best in pocket watches, it doubles up keeping excellent time when it is in your pocket, not just when it's on your dresser at night. While it's not a highly water-resistant watch, it does have some water resistance, 30 meters. Go ahead, try to find a bunch of other water-resistant pocket watches. I can think of some off the top of my head, but very few are going to be able to find a match in the real world. This is number 14 of 50, so few in the world. As you can see, the movement is quite attractive. It's got a power reserve indicator on the back. I'll do my best to remove some fingerprints here. But it has a tourbillon that's probably more visible from the case back even than the dial side. You've got the power reserve indicator for the 6 days. You can see 3 mainspring barrels, not 1, not 2, but 3. It's a 31 jewel movement, and it's made entirely at Panerai's manufacturer in Neuchâtel. So a lovely watch that I can guarantee you your friend will not own. And I don't know if you can hear it, but listen, maybe you can. It's wonderfully vocal, and it's not for the typical Paneristi. This is for an eccentric. This is for an eccentric who probably isn't a hardcore Panerai fan. Conversely, it could be for the Panerai fan who has absolutely everything. And if this is the one thing you need to complete your collection, then game on. One of the most interesting and unusual and unexpected watches I've encountered. It includes a matching ceramized chain. So we'll take a look at how this works. You can see the links alternate. They're in similar design, but 90 degrees opposed to each other. And then we get to this carabiner-like buckle that features one side spring-loaded with a little guide track so it always closes cleanly, and it's very robust. So I have to say, this is probably my favorite Panerai in quite a while. I'm not your typical Paneristi. I'm a guy who loves complications, rarity, autologerie. And so if that sounds like you, or maybe you just want to be the life of the party, because when you pull this thing out, you are going to be the center of attention. It doesn't matter if the other guy's wearing a Patek Philippe Grandmaster chime or Paul Newman's own Daytona. This is a show stealer and a scene stealer. And because of the fact that it will be hidden in your pocket until the moment of your choosing, it's the surprise they'll never see coming. It's your big reveal on your time. Pun intended. Reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.